Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of Wix. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a downloadable file button. So what I'm trying to tell you is whenever you download something from any of the website, then you click on some button. So the same thing we are going to do it here, and we are going to do it through button, and we are going to give a download button and download clicking on it will download a PDF. So to start with, I opened one of the editor of Wix site. So this I used to mostly make tutorials for you guys for Wix tutorials. And to start with, I have added a button which I have renamed it as download. I will add it again just to show you guys. You can add a button wherever you want, wherever the place or the section wherever you want it. Then rename it to whatever text you want to. I am doing it download, and then click on the link, and then just click on the document, and then it asks you to which document you want to link it to. Choose the file. First you have to upload it to the media file section of the Wix site. So I am choosing my file. I am choosing a PDF file. You can choose any of the file. Then add to page. As you can see, it has been added here. Done. So now let's preview it. Let's see how it looks and how it works. Just click on that, and as you can see, the PDF opens, and from here you can download it simply. So I hope you got it, and please try it once, and let me know in the comment section about further tutorials you want regarding any of the section in Wix. So thanks for watching.